So I've just put it all back in again because I still was not sure if it was completely cooked, but I just don't want it to burn. But these ones seem to be cooking a lot slower this time, the middle ones. But they're nice and fluffy inside once they're cooked, and they taste good, so that's good. But it doesn't taste like, I've used wholemeal self-raising flour, so it doesn't taste exactly like I can remember when I was a little girl. But the first time I tried it, it tasted like Pizza Hut or Domino's.